we are taking an example. Example number A4. A cricketer throws a ball from boundary line towards the wicketkeeper with velocity 30 meter per second at angle 37 degree with horizontal. What will be maximum height of the thrown ball in its flight? Take acceleration due to gravity g to be 10 meter per second square. So, to solve this example, we can easily picturize the theme of the question as I am doing here. Say, the thrown projectile follows this path. Here, as we know, for a projectile thrown with velocity u at an angle theta with the horizontal, maximum height h can be given divided by 2g. So, as per the given question situation, we know that g is here 10 meter per second square. U is given to be 30 meter per second and theta is given as 37 degree. So what will we do? We will just put these values into this formula. Then we got h equal to square of 30 meter per second, which becomes 900 multiplied by value of sine 37 3 upon 5. So square of 3 upon 5, then divided by 2 times value of acceleration due to gravity, which is 10. So 900 into 9 upon 25 into 2 into 10 or equal to 81 divided by 5, which is nearly 16 meter. So here, on calculating this value, we can say that projectile means ball here maximum up to 16 meter from the ground in order to reach at the wicket keeper. So our answer is 16 meter here, which is our final answer in this case. So students, our next example is quite tricky one, in which we have been provided that a student can throw a ball maximum up to 25 meter from the ground. If he throws the same ball at angle 53 degree from vertical, then find its maximum attained height from the ground. If you see in this question, we have been given an interesting and important as well information about the capability of student. A student can throw a ball maximum up to 25 meter, have the meaning that it is the maximum possible height up to which he can throw the ball, and to attain its maximum height, ball must be thrown directly vertically upward, means perpendicular to the ground. If a student throws the ball at angle of projection 90 degree, then only he will be able to throw the ball up to the maximum possible height. So indirectly in this first line, we have been provided angle of projection for the maximum height as pi by 2. So according to the same formula, we will achieve the solution to this question. How? See, in the first line we have been provided that when thrown for the maximum possible height, it is to be thrown directly vertically upward. So by using the same formula under this situation, we get the value of u square sine square pi by 2 divided by 2g to be equal to 25 meter. It is the information which have been provided to us. So from here we can conclude that value of u square by 2g to be 25 meter. Now, for the situation illustrated in the example, for the second event is for the angle of projection 53 degree from the vertical. Here, same ball has been thrown at some angle, but the important thing here is that angle of projection 53 degree is given from the vertical. In this formula, we have angle of projection with the horizontal. So we can easily say that theta here is 90 degree minus 53 degree means 37 degree. So using this value of angle into this formula, we can write that H required is equal to u square 3 by 5 square divided by 2g, and as we have value of u square by 2g to be 25, we can write that maximum height h required from us is 25 multiplied by 9 upon 9 meter. So the desired result is 9 meter. So students, always consider that angle is from vertical or is from horizontal, and depending upon that we have to take the value of theta into this equation. Here in this case it is 37 degree because angle from the vertical is 53 degree and vertical and horizontal are mutually perpendicular. So putting the value of theta to be 90 minus 53, we got the right direction of projection to be angle theta 37 degree from the horizontal.